Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel friends. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how can we disable our auto screen in our Tecno mobile friends. You can see guys your auto screen setting and friends you want to disable the settings. So friends how can you disable it? Guys you don't want to use this setting, so guys you can disable in your Tecno mobile. And guys how can you disable? In this video friends I am going to show you friends. So before starting video friends I want to tell you guys, if you're in my channel, so can first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So when first of all open your phone setting to disable it. After on phone setting guys, you can see this type of setting guys. Click on the display and brightness setting and tap here guys, click on your auto screen. So as you can see this blue icon, so I tap here to disable guys your auto screen. So your auto screen will disable guys, it will not work in your phone guys. You can see guys, if you use any app and guys you want to rotate, it will not rotate. So like that guys you can disable guys your auto screen in your Tecno mobile. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye bye friends. Before going, please go and like the video. Bye.